one cancer drug maker stock is up 100% in one day. Is this a high quality stock? Let me analyze it for you. Welcome to Liu Stock Observe. In this channel, we review daily hottest stock gainers and losers. We'll briefly introduce and analyze 10 stocks. Overall, it's a pretty peaceful day. There's a piece of news from Bank of America. One of the analysts suggests that the era of the biggest stocks dominating markets may be done. This might be an interesting piece of news. Overall, the US stocks are in the red. Asian stocks are all up in the green. The Bitcoins are all holding their values. The interest rate is continuously creeping up. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos about AIs and chips. It seems like there's a lot of uncertainty in the AI hosting and cloud storage space. Today, Google increased its investment in the hosting center TeraWulf. However, the other day, CoreWeave, which is a hosting center for OpenAI, is dropping. So it's definitely mixed news. The 5 stocks that are the top gainers today are PPCB, Propanc Biopharmaceutical, Dayforce, Cipher Mining Inc., Applied Digital Corporation. Both Cipher and APLD are basically AI hosting services. And Duolingo. Duolingo is up 12%. Let's take a look at the top riser today, which is Propanc Biopharma. Propanc increased its value by 100%. There is a peer-reviewed article for their cancer treatment generated unprecedented interest. However, this stock, in my opinion, is in trouble. If you look at the 1 year, it's steady, not moving up. If you look at 5 years, it has been continuously going down. Dayforce is a company that deals with human resource. It's a global people's platform that delivers simplicity at scale. It includes payroll, HR, benefits, talents, and workforce. It's a human resource SaaS platform. Now let's talk about the data center or AI hosting stocks. Cipher Mining increased by 16%. Cipher Mining, it says, is developing and operating industrial scale data centers for Bitcoin mining and high performance computing. Applied Digital Corp, APLD, is roughly the same. And if you look at the 5-year history, it's been going up pretty steadily. So I would think that this stock has some real force behind it. Duolingo is an interesting stock performance. It was up pretty wildly before the ChatGPT 5 announcement. Then it dropped like crazy. And today it increased a little bit back up. The CEO even says that Duolingo is not a AI first company. So people are trying to put some distance between themselves and AI. Now there are 5 top losers today. Out of the 5, 4 of them, the typical loss is only 6 to 7%. So it's really not worth mentioning and overanalyzing. I'll review the top loser stock today, which is Tonix Pharmaceutical. Tonix Pharmaceutical, if you remember from our past few days, it increased one day and dropped the other day. It seems to be keeping on dropping. It seems like the company has received FDA approval for a very interesting new drug, Tomaya. However, after this very important new drug, which doesn't happen for nearly 15 years, the stock fell due to volatility concerns and disappointing earnings results. So it seems like pretty difficult to hold your own in this pharmaceutical business. If you look at the 5-year stock, it goes up like crazy during the COVID days, and then it's been dropping like crazy again. So this is not a stock that you should put too much stock on. No pun intended. This above only serves as observation and commentary. Investment is very risky and one could lose everything. So be very careful. Thank you for visiting this YouTube. And if you have come this far, I hope that you like the contents. Please leave in the comments anything where you have deeper knowledge about certain stocks or if you have suggestions for this channel. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the future soon.